In this video, we are going to be doing activity number 2 of conditional statement, in which we're going to make changes to the turtle game. Hello everyone! In today's video, as I told, we're going to make changes to the turtle game, and which is going to be announcing the winner and stopping the race. So let's get started. You go back to your Replit and open the file where you did your turtle game. You scroll down to the last code that you have done. This one, right? Move each step while random increment. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna add some more codes. So if Tom x score is not basically equal to 40, like we're gonna check if Tom reaches at 40. If it's more than 40, then we're gonna check it. So Tom pen up. Now you must be wondering, what is X score? Well, X score is basically a condition to actually check. Um, you know, it's used for checking and going to some place. So we're gonna do Tom pen up, go to minus 180 and 80, like over here, and we're gonna write Tom wins the race with space. And then we're gonna break. What the break statement do? So the break statement, what it actually does, it breaks the loop. Because if we do not use the break statement, it might just repeat forever and forever and forever and never end. That's why we use the break statement. So we can exit out of the loop. Same we're gonna do with Cherry. Like if Cherry X score more than 140, then we're gonna pen up and go to minus 180 and 80. And right, Cherry wins the race, and then we're gonna break up. The break out of the loop. Then we're gonna do the same for Spike over here, and of course, in the end, the break statement. Now let's test it out. As you can see, we are creating the game. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now we're going to spawn the turtle and they're racing. Looks like Tom is first, and Tom wins the race. If you want to run again, then take a look, because it might be different. We're creating the we're creating the base of the game. We're waiting, and there we go. Responding the turtle. Looks like Jerry is winning, and Jerry wins the race just like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you did, then you might want to check out my other videos, which are also as cool as this one. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.